Can you, the government of Karnataka make a audit in Karnataka city regarding the this how many of them? So so the government. So because why did the here? Why only the pure? Why only the pure? Why only the pure? So do you have courage, the Siddaramaiah, to go bulldozer Raj with?
About all those drawn visuals of taking the credits of National Highway, and I must say that the central government and NHAI, they are equally responsible. There is stiff competition for taking the credits of whatever happens regarding the National Highway. Everybody says that it is their brainchild and they are responsible for the National Highway here. But whenever something goes wrong, whenever there is a serious lapse, they are never bothered to take the responsibility. Neither state government or the central government. But whatever happening is, it was shocking to learn that that school bus was carrying by about 32 students in that. If something went wrong means. So this is a serious lapse and series of lapse. Serious lapse and series of lapse that's been happening.
CM Pinarayi Vijayan is saying that it's not our duty to take this. It's all about a national highway, and national highway is born to do that job. So how you react to it?
How about all those drawn visuals of taking the credits of National Highway? And I must say that the central government and NHAI, they are equally responsible. They are more responsible. I must also say that they are more responsible. But CPM must stop taking credit of all those things that is happening, and they must not skip away from responsibilities. NHAI, the design is, I must say, the design is anti-Kerala. It is not at all connected to the way Kerala needs the highway, and they are not giving a patient hearing, even for representatives like us. Whenever we say something on this regard, they are saying that you are not competent enough to say on engineering things. But they are failing miserably. Now this has to be seriously thought. This is not a flood time, and this is not a seriously raining time also. Even now, if it happens, so means what will happen if it is seriously raining? We are concerned even after the completion. It can happen. So they have to recheck on what has to be done and this kind of elevated thing that they have done.